Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Herbalife muffins. They're protein muffins. So I saw this online. It's a recipe. There's like a bunch of recipes, but I'm going to try one that I really like and I thought it was like easy. I'm going to show you what I have and how I'm gonna make it. And then this is my first time making it, so I don't even know how it's gonna come out. All right. So first of all, I'm going to show you what I have here. I have 2 eggs, so we're gonna do egg whites though. I have this just to put a little bit of it. It doesn't come on the recipe, but I'm gonna add it. I have a little bit of extract vanilla, a little bit of milk, unsweetened, olive oil, Greek yogurt, and this is just like a little, topping on the top. It says that we're supposed to use a little bit, so I'm going to try all these. This is the whole thing that you need, and of course, the flavor of the protein that you want. So I'm gonna be doing the chocolate one. Okay, so I have my casserole right here, and I'm gonna start mixing everything. So I'm just gonna show you exactly what I'm doing. This is my first time, so I hope I can get it right. And let's just start. All right, as you can see right here, I have my stuff. So I'm going to start by adding my protein. So basically, I have no clue exactly how much do I have to add, but I have this much to fill out of the cupcake. So I'm going to kind of like see more or less. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try to do 6 scoops. And then I'm going to do the egg whites. So it has to be egg whites, okay? So let's do it. So make sure you do not put the yellow one. There we go. And then it's gonna be 2 of them. Okay. There we go. So it says that I have to put like 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Alright, so I'm going to add the Greek yogurt, and I'm gonna do, it has to be like a cup. So I'm going to just do like about 3 of these, 4, and like that. And then the baking soda, it says that it only has to be like very little, like teaspoon, like 1 teaspoon. So I'm gonna go ahead and just throw it like that, and then just a little bit of milk, like that. That's it. And then we're gonna add the vanilla right here. This is to give, of course, the flavor of like a little bit more sweeter, even though this is already sweet because the Greek yogurt is vanilla flavor, so it's a little bit sweet. And then I'm gonna start mixing everything. Okay, so it's a little bit hard. I'm going to add a little bit more milk. And then I'm going to add a little bit more of the Greek yogurt. It's looking way better. Look, you can see the texture already. So far right now, it looks pretty good. I like the texture. Okay, so I'm going to fill these ones out. I'm not even sure how many I'm gonna be able to do because it wasn't that much of protein. So let's do, I'm gonna put 6 of them in the middle. It's time to fill them up. Right here. All right, so I'm done. So here's the outcome. So I'm going to fill a little bit of the top part, and then I'm going to try it. All right, so here is the outcome of my little cupcakes. They look a little bit different than what I thought they would look. I added some sprinkles in the chocolate fudge, that is this one right here. And then I added a little bit of granola, honey almond granola. So this is the outcome of my cupcakes. Oh my god, they're so delicious. And the only thing that it's not too puffy. I don't know what happened, what ingredient do I need, to make it more puffy. Next time I'm going to add, some cooking spray oil, because I cannot take it out of here. So it's super stick to this little paper. So on the description below, I'm going to put all the ingredients that I used to make this recipe. It's super good, super simple to make. And any questions, just go ahead and ask. Let me know if you tried it, how did it come out. Let me know if you already know another recipe. Maybe you can share with me. But this one, I thought it was super simple and they're really good. The only thing I have to do is put cooking oil. Next time, spray it, because I'm not able to take it out from here, so I have to kind of bite it like this. Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and comment, like. See you in my next video.